My dear brother and sisters, today we are living in the sinful world. There are so many problems happen, especially the relationship between man and woman. Many times, even every day, if I start morning uh, searching or see my cell phone, I always receive from the people that I don't know pornography and false love, false love spreading around the world. Man and man, one man, three women, one woman, three men or more. Very, very evil. So we are now living in the situation of confusing our mind to unite with our body. If we read the Bible, Roman verse Roman chapter 1 verse 20, it is said, "For since the creation of the world, God's invisible qualities, His eternal power and divine nature have been clearly seen, being understood from what has been made, so that people are without excuse." Ever since God created this world, the nature of God is consists of dual characteristic. In the whole creation, we can see, we can divide it in six parts. First, man consists of dual characteristic, man and woman. Animal consists also dual characteristic, male and female. How about the plant? Plants also consist of dual characteristics, pistils and stamen. Similar, the male and female or man and woman. How about the universe, the big universe? Sun, water, air also consist of atom, molecule, and particles. All of this are also consist of positive and minus. Pair. In pair, everything God created in pairs. The main important is the dual characteristic of vertical, internal, mind, and body. Every created being also consists of dual characteristics, internal and external, and horizontal characteristics, male, female, or positive and negative. Man is the highest position. Man receive God's three blessings. Be fruitful means perfect your love character. And the second blessing, multiply, give birth. How to give birth? How to multiply? Through man and woman unite in marriage. One man, God created only one Adam. One Eve, God created only one Eve. So, only one man and one woman. Not three men or three women toward one man or one woman. This is unprincipled. So, if we see the first in the Bible, Romans chapter 1 verse 20, if we can see the dual characteristics of God in the nature in all of created being, then we will repent. We can repent. We can be able to come back to God in the original status, in the original situation as before human fall. After human fall, the world become so confused because Adam and Eve they were seduced first to Eve. Archangel becomes Satan, seduce Eve and then go to Adam. So Eve has two husbands. Archangel, spiritual fall, and Adam, physical fall. This is the first suffering of humankind and the first evil come in this world. And this world until now becomes so confused, unprincipled way. So, if we know the character of God in Roman chapter 1 verse 20, we have to repent and we have to go back to God. God's original creation. Man and woman, only one and one. That's why we, after marriage, cannot divorce. This is the main rule for the marriage life. I am the victim. Also, you must prevent. So, I share this for all of you to go back again like me. Go back to our God as our heavenly parents, the creator of this world and the universe. Thank you very much.